got all what we need. Got brake lines, some carburetors, tools, and all that. We're gonna head over there to go get some work done on the 69 Beetle. See if we can get it running and driving. Let's get it.
Alright, we just changed the master cylinder. Now we're ready to get the lines. We have to go and get a kit. All the springs are all rusted out. Brakes were bad. They were all bad. So we already got this. But we find out that the front beam is rusted too, so we're gonna deal with the brakes now. Okay.
I sold it because I got a 62 Chevy Nova.
Nice.
I'll take it to the car service. And
So we got all the lines.
What size engine you need there?
I got a 350. My car is all
Send them a picture.
Alright, we pulled the carburetor out, so we're now hooking up the other one.
Dale que pedala ya. A ver.
I'll make sure it works. Let's see.
Yep. Yeah, good. ¿Está bien? Pon la maceta.
We got the pedal done. We use the same cable. Ready for it. Springs. And it's raining like crazy. And we are just under the tarp of it.
Good. All right, hold on. Let me put some more gas. Wait. 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 You don't got a small funnel that I can put?
Yeah.
That one? All right, try me. All right. Wait. 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 Yeah, once you get the fuel pump, it'll stay on.
We just stopped, pack everything up, and the car's gonna stay like that. We'll be back next week, and the weather gets better. At least we got the brakes done, the carburetor, and everything else. The front brakes, and then tomorrow, next week we deal with the rear brake.
Alright, we're at it again. Got an extra fuel line because the original fuel line gets clogged up, and we tried putting some air in it and didn't work, so we're gonna put a new fuel line in. And we got another carburetor in there just in case. Alright, let's go.
Well, we're back in here. Trying to get the carb. We're working on the brakes again. We don't know. I think we have the wrong brakes, front brakes, so we're gonna change it again. I got the other setting there, and my friend Ani is trying to get that line unplugged. So he's working on that.
Yeah.
And I will continue working on this brake. Let's see what we can do.
It's not going anymore. It's in. Opa. So much.
Yeah.
We have to put some. I have to put some more stuff in it.
Yeah. Put more. Let it sit.
That's it.
So you went really deep. That's good.
Yeah.
It was clogged right from the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay, I got this one in.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Good.
I got this one in. So if this one went in, I should not have no problem with the other one.
That's great.
Good.
It's good.
Okay, that one is in. I'm having trouble with this one. Yeah. I got the brakes in the wrong position. This side. But this one enter. You see the three holes? The three holes on that side?
Yeah.
They should be next to the cylinder.
Right.
And they're on the other side.
Yeah.
That-
And the bottom piece from the back. The bottom piece doesn't look like for the back brake because it has that notch.
Yeah. No, but you see, they fit. The same. So you see these three holes on this side, goes on this side. So I had to flip them. That's probably causing. You already entered the other side, so now I know what the problem is. Okay, that's good news.
Yeah, that's great.
So we don't need this one. Well, the front is done. All the brakes are done. Everything came out pretty good. We got all the master cylinder lines ready. We're trying to unplug the gas line. So plug in all the lines. So we're gonna hit for the rear.
I was able to do work like this 20, 30 years ago, no more now.
Yeah. We're gonna get to that point. I'm already in that point, but
No, you're still
hanging around.
young.
Yeah.
I guess we can leave it here in
Yeah.
case we need it, right?
already have the brakes that look good. Everything is nice and clean. So we already pull. We're ready to put these hoses out. And the master cylinder. I mean the cylinder brake. Everything else looks good.